Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know you have a cracked exhaust manifold? How do you know you have a cracked exhaust manifold, especially if you can't tell if the heat shield is on the way? Well, I'm going to tell you guys some of the symptoms you should pay attention to of a cracked exhaust manifold. The first sign that you know that your exhaust manifold might be cracked is going to be exhaust fume. If you can smell exhaust fume at all times, that could be a sign that it might be cracked and it's time to inspect it. You might have to remove the heat shield to check the exhaust manifold. The next sign that you know that your exhaust manifold might be cracked is going to be noise. If you're hearing a tapping noise or a ticking noise or a puffing noise at startup and the noise gradually go away as the engine warms up, that could be a sign that your manifold might be cracked. To give you an idea how a cracked exhaust manifold sound like, it's going to sound something like this. If it's making a ticking noise or tapping noise at startup, it's going to sound like this. And if it makes a puffing noise, it's going to sound like this. The next time that you know that your exhaust manifold might be cracked, and the crack might be pretty huge, is going to be low power and poor acceleration. If your vehicle is having a hard time going on the highway ramp, or your vehicle has a hard time going uphill, these could be signs that your exhaust manifold might be cracked. The next sign that you know that you might have a cracked exhaust manifold is that your check engine light is going to be on and you're going to get codes for bad O2 sensor. If your exhaust manifold is cracked, it can affect how the oxygen sensor is going to function. So what I have here is an upstream oxygen sensor from that vehicle I removed with a bad cracked exhaust manifold. So what happened is, if the oxygen sensor cannot function properly, it can send distorted signal to the engine control module. And depending on the engine control module, how it's going to interpret the distorted signal, it can cause the engine to run either too rich or too lean. If the engine is running rich, it is going to cause poor gas mileage. And if your engine is running too rich for too long and you drive for many miles, eventually all that black soot is going to coat the honeycomb structure inside the catalytic converter, and eventually the catalytic converter will become inefficient when you drop a certain percentage, and you're going to get codes for P0420 and P0430. P0420 is going to be for bank number 1, and P0430 is going to be for bank number 2. If you're experiencing all these symptoms, most likely you have a cracked exhaust manifold. And again, make sure to remove the heat shield so you can see the whole entire exhaust manifold. To fix the issue, you could either replace the exhaust manifold, you could weld it, and that works very well, or you can try JB Weld. That may or may not work. I hope you found this video informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.